In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Jira backlog. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control what you see so you can focus on the work that matters and reduce visual clutter. Let's start at the beginning. Open your browser and head to Atlassian.com. If you're new to the platform, click sign up and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're in, go to your Scrum project. This is where your team plans and tracks work using sprints and a prioritized backlog. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Backlog. This view is the heart of your planning process and it's fully customizable. You can start organizing right away by choosing what you want to be visible. The key here is to keep only what you need in view so you can scan and prioritize quickly. Use the small arrows next to backlog items to expand or collapse sections. This makes it easy to hide long groups of issues when you don't need to see them all at once. The same goes for your sprints. Collapse older or future sprints to keep the focus tight and expand the current or upcoming sprint when you're grooming work. This simple habit helps your team stay aligned and reduces context switching. You can also choose to show the version panel and the epic panel. Versions help you group issues by releases or milestones, while epics group related work under larger themes. Turning these panels on when you need them helps you slice your backlog by release or by epic, which is especially helpful during planning sessions. Another powerful control is quick filters. You can edit the quick filters and choose which issues will be visible to you, such as filtering by assignee, priority, labels, or work type. Fine-tuning these filters lets you switch views fast, for example, focusing just on your own tickets or surfacing only high-impact work without changing the underlying backlog. Lastly, click on the View Settings icon at the far right of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear with more options for organizing your backlog and choosing the items you want visible. Use these options to refine your display, adjusting which panels, fields, and visual details appear on the page. Keep it simple and only enable what supports your current task, whether that's grooming, sprint planning, or review. That's it. With these controls, your backlog becomes clearer, faster to navigate, and easier to prioritize. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.